Students of class 4, this is your English text class, and today we will revise, we will continue the chapter Little Fat Tree. In the previous class we already started revising. Okay, so get ready with your book. Little Fat Tree is a story about a fat tree. It is written by Hans Christian Andersen. The story the story is like a little fat tree who one day a magician was returning home. Shakti the magician was returning home. So it started raining, and suddenly it started raining. So he took shelter under a little fat tree, and he did not get wet. So he, being happy, he asked the fat tree. He told the fat tree that he can ask 4 wishes and he is ready to grant them. So the little fat tree asked green leaves like other trees because it had needle like leaves. So his wish was granted, and in the next morning it had green leaves, but a goat came along and ate all the leaves. Now the fat tree was repenting that if he had gold leaves, so that goat could not eat. We completed up to this. Today we will read the next part. So get ready now. When the little fat tree wake up the next morning, when the little fat tree wake up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. When the goat ate all the green leaves, the little fat tree was very sad. He was repenting. He was repenting that if he had gold leaves, so that goat could not eat. But in the next morning, what happened? In the next morning, when the little fat tree woke up, he was surprised. Why it was surprised? Because the fat tree saw now its leaves are golden leaves made of gold leaves. So at first it had needle like leaves. Now it has gold leaves. So he was so happy. So he exclaimed, how happy I am. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. He was happy because of the gold leaves. Now something happened. What happened? Man came along and stole all the gold leaves. Now again he is sad. Now again he is repenting. If I had glass leaves instead, because men do not steal glass leaves. So everywhere there is a problem. At first it had needle-like leaves, so the tree was not happy. So it wished green leaves. But the problem is goat came, ate all the leaves. Now he is sad. Now again he wished for gold leaves. He got gold leaves. He was happy, but again something happened. What happened? A man came and stole all the gold leaves. Now again he is sad. Again he is repenting. Now he is wishing if he had glass leaves instead, because men do not steal glass leaves. Gold is a valuable metal, glass is not. That's why now he is wishing glass leaves. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. Now his wish is fulfilled. Okay, wish is granted. So next day he saw it had glass leaves. The glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. Now again he is happy. At night the wind blew. Whoo! All the glass leaves broke. Again something happened. At night the wind blew. The wind blew hard. Whoo! And all the glass leaves broke. Because glass leaves are fragile. That's why in the When the wind blew harder, the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best. Now he is again sad, now he is repenting. He is saying, oh dear, I like my old needle-like leaves. Because old needle-like leaves do not break, and no one steals, and no one eats. So now he is thinking his needle-like leaves, that is better. Okay, so goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Now its wish is again granted, and in the next morning it saw that it had all its needles back again. Now it has the same needle-like leaves. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. Now the fir tree is saying, now he is so happy. He was never so happy because he now got back his needle-like leaves. Okay, so this is the story. Hope you like it. Okay, students, read again and again. We will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.